and welcome to Card Making with Crystal. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful heart pop-up card. There's a floating heart element. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe. I share fun and easy to follow card making and crafting tutorials. Let's make it. This is everything you need for this card, and let's get started. You're going to put all your layers away. This is for the inside of the card. I'm going to put it aside. This is for the front, and this is your base card. Let's do some scoring. Your base card is 8.5 by 5.5. We're going to score 4.25. Fold and burnish. Because we're scoring, we're going to score these one time. And let's get started. We're going to work on the front of the card. I'm going to emboss this beautiful piece of paper with this embossing folder like so. So beautiful. Let's take our butterfly and fold it like so. I'm going to put some glue just on the base only and stick it directly on this butterfly here. It's perfect. And I'm going to put in our sentiment one time. Our sentiment says, "You're one in a million." So it looks like the butterflies one in all these butterflies. So beautiful. We're going to score the mechanism. This is 4.5 by 1. We're going to score it with 1, 2, 3, 4. Fold. And let's stick this together. You're going to fold it in the second line after this 1/2 inch one here. Put some glue here and then fold this in. You're doing the same thing on this one. And we're going to stick these together. So you're going to put glue on one of the squares. And you're going to take it and stick it on the other square like this. So this looks like so. Let's leave this aside and let's stick these together now. While this dries, let's go ahead and stick down the front of our card. You're going to open and stick your layers down. We're going to take our mechanism like this, fold it and put glue on both sides at the base. So you definitely stick this down at 2.25 inches, so it's smack in the middle. And then you're going to close it. Perfect. And now we're going to put glue all over the top here. And hold it down. Thanks so much for joining me while we made this floating heart card. You can imagine this on your desk. You just seen that big heart like just floating in front of the card. It's so cute. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friends. If you'd like to follow my fitness journey where I am aiming to lose 50 pounds, you can subscribe to Crystal Best Fitness. It's so fun.